this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. We're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pork chop with apples and onions. I've got some thinly sliced pork chops, and we're going to season them with just a little salt and pepper on each one. Once you've got them seasoned, we're going to take it over to our KitchenAid stovetop, and we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're gonna set our pork chops in there and let them cook for a little bit. And we're gonna cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so they're done. We're gonna just take them out and set them on a plate. We're also going to come over here, and we've got a little bit of chicken stock, and we've got some Grey Poupon. So we're gonna put these two together and just give them a little whisk. We're gonna go cook our onions and our apples in our sauce and start to make the mixture that the pork chops are going to sit on top of. So I'm going to stick all those in there at one time. And then I've got some rosemary, thyme, and sage, and I'm going to stick those in there. I'm going to mix that all up, and I'm going to let these cook off for about 3 to 4 minutes also. Okay, these have cooked for about 3 minutes. They're just getting a little tender. I've got my Grey Poupon and my chicken stock. I'm going to add that in. And I'm going to let this cook just a couple of minutes, just until it starts getting this nice boil going and all the flavors are combining in there. And then once I have that done, I'm going to stick my pork chops back in. So we're going to now just give this a little stir, and we're going to let this cook uncovered for about 4 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Okay, our fluids have reduced to about half, and you can see that the pork chops have nice flavor in them. And you can just plate them up however you want. Just make sure you get some apple slices and some onion and all those herbs in there. That's where all the flavor is. And then we're gonna take this outside and let somebody try it. Would you find folks like to try the pork chops with apples we just made?
Oh, we would love to.
All right, let me know what you think.
Okay. Oh, really, really good.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. And thank you so much for joining us from Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm Laura, and I'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.